everyone, it's Sam here, and I just wanted to do a quick video concluding the Made to Surprise 4th birthday celebration week that I've been doing over on my other YouTube channel. So if you're not familiar, I do have 2 YouTube channels. I've got Made to Surprise and Mixed Up Craft, where you are now. If you like Kinetic cards, you like cards where the dies can do all the work for you and then you can just decorate them, that's what Made to Surprise is more about. However, I have lots of stamps, dies, papers, which will work on any cards. So there's something for everybody. So I will link Made to Surprise in the description box below if you want to go over and check out that page. But I thought I'd just show you all the cards that I've been making and sharing over there this week. So like I said, it's been 4 years of Made to Surprise, which is still really strange for me to say. It's a very long time, but it's been wonderful. So this is my own range of products that I have been designing with Craft Stash for the last 4 years. I have a wonderful team. Sarah, my designer, she's been with me for the last, I think, nearly 2 years now. Might even be going into 3 years. So Sarah brings everything to life when I send her through all of my mechanism concepts and all of my mood boards and things like that. So the first one that I made was this one here, which was the magic colour slide with the perky pooches. Very, very cute. I've decorated all of the envelopes as well, which I just love to do. And I've also got my wax seals on the back, which is my Happy Mail kit. And this one here, you just pull the top and it then reveals a coloured image of Monty, my little sausage dog. Very, very cute. Hello, friend. And then that one just all closes, just closes down like so. And then you've got all your space inside to write your message. And that's a 5x7 size, so it all fits nicely in your envelope. Then for day 2, which has been a very, very popular one. These have all got exclusive bundles as well, by the way. If you're a VIP as well on Craft Stash, and you get to enjoy your 10% on top of that. Also, some people have been using like their points as well towards it, and some people have been getting really, really good bargains. So all of the products individually available as always as well. So there's this one here, which is wonderful. So it's a really nice keepsake card, and it's a showstopper. So when you open it up, it's got my new baby poem, the lovely image there, and then the new baby boy in the middle. Again, you can write your message on the back there. Then for day 3, I used the Never Ending dies to create this carousel card. So it's a hard one to show off, but it displays so nicely. You can see the sides there. You've got your space on the back to be able to write your message, and it's just lovely. This was a really fun one, colouring in all those images. And again, it all folds flat, and I made the envelope during the video as well. And then for day 4, again, I use the oval showstopper set. And what I'm trying to do is, with the showstoppers, you tend to double them up to make these bigger cards. But you can also add an extra score line or snip a part of it away, and it will create another style again. So this one here was 2 of the oval dies. Then I added this extra score line down the sides, and it's created this box style. And it's a really interesting fold. Lots of fun. I threw everything at this one. Very, very detailed. And you can find, like I said, all of the products in the bundles, and they're all individually linked below each video. Then a couple of Kinetic cards towards the end of the week. So I used my Turn and Reveal die set, popped it onto this bigger card, created this lovely topper, which looks like a vacuum pack finish. It's just the glaze covering everything, which I just love. And then with this one here, you can turn the wheel either way, but every time you turn it, you get a fun new character joining the gang. Wishing you, or we heard, it's your birthday. And then back again. You can see all of that detail on the front. Again, side fold, so you've got your space inside there. Didn't do an envelope for that one. And I didn't do one for the baby one either, so I need to do those. Then I did the DL Flip and See die set, and I created this bigger card again. And I've done this kind of like shelf along the top with all of the crafty images. And then you just pull the tab and it will reveal another message. You can have photos in here. You've got all space here to decorate as well, but it's got a really fun movement. These can work in all orientations. You can have it this way, you can have it from the top. You don't even have to have 3 of them flipping. You can just have 1, 2. You can take out the middle one. You can really play around with it as well, so it's a nice fun style. And again, decorated my envelope. All got the wax seals on the back as well. And then I finished the week, and this is today's video that's just gone up, with the winged pop-up showstopper die set. And again, I added a new score line to create this dimensional extra piece on the side here. I'm going to be revisiting this again using the mats and layers, and I'll probably do that during one of my Friday Facebook mix and match lives that I do. So I get all different collections, mix them together, a bit like I've done this week, and just create new cards again. But you can see all this dimension, and that's using the garden stamp and die set and the build them up flowers, which I think are beautiful coloured in, so I'm definitely going to be getting a lot more use of those. And again, the envelope with the wax seal on the back. I also made, during my Friday live, I have nearly finished the card for my nephew. It's his 4th birthday, so it's really easy for me to know how old Made to Surprise is, because within months of him being born, Made to Surprise was also born as well. But I decorate the front, I've done the envelope, but this one here is using my changing faces. So I've created a little mini Charlie, and right now his memory is just wonderful. He's full of adventure and he always wants you to read him a story or tell you a story. So I've created this little story time book, and then behind is just all the things that are going on in his head right now. He loves to dress up. And then I've got Hooray for Today. Just need to add some pattern paper there, but I think it's a really lovely card. And this is using my Simple Pop-Ups, which is another die set again. This one isn't within one of the bundle offers, but again, all this product is available over on the website. I just think it's an adorable card. And then also on this channel, you would have seen me share this one during the week. So this is a double shutter card. You don't need any dies for this one. So I've also tried to share some cards where no dies are needed. I've got a wiper card as well to show you in a moment. But this one, you just pull the sides and it reveals this lovely little scene. So I've used my farmyard animals there. So the same as what I used in the reveal wheel there. But I think it's an adorable card, and that's on a 5x7 top fold. So it can be displayed closed, but it can also be displayed open as well. Again, I did a fun little matching envelope with the wax seal on the back there. So this is the wiper card that I made. You don't need any dies to make this one, but I did use the Changing Faces die in the middle there, and then that lovely frame die. But when you pull the sides, You Are Awesome pops up. So like I said, no dies are needed to make this mechanism, and you can find that, just scroll back a couple of tutorials and you'll see it on this channel. And then I also shared this one as well, which is again no dies, and this is a pop-up floating book. So again, offering something for everybody, whether you like the dice to do the work for you or you like to do it yourself. This is a really fun style, but decorating it with just some of those Made to Surprise products. These papers are from these are 4 years old. These are from the very first collection. So like I said, I just wanted to kind of finish the week with an overview of all of the cards that I've been sharing. I do make a lot with the Made to Surprise products. I'm really passionate about using those older lines. I don't want things to just sit on your shelf and then you get the new thing and then the new thing. I want you to bring out those older styles and use them as something new, and that's why I'm always creating like additions, or I'll create something new that's going to work really well with, for example, the wiper cards, which are a very old part of the collection. If you are over on Facebook, I will be live tonight, so 7 p.m. BST, the 26th of May 2024. And I'm just going to have a really chilled chat, go through the cards, bring out some of my very, very old original samples from 4 years ago. And I'm probably going to have a glass or two of wine as well. But if you want to ask me any questions and you just want to have a bit of crafty chat for an hour or so, then come along and join me. You'll find that over on my Facebook page, and I'll have that all linked below. Thank you again for all of the support, for everybody that has liked, commented, purchased, joined the lives. Everything is really, really appreciated, and I wouldn't be able to do it without you all. So again, massive thank you, and yeah, here's to another 4 years. See you all again soon. Bye.